What's up guys, we're here at Evasive Motorsports and we're here to address the issues on the E46 M3 with the subframe cracking. E46 M3s, the car is almost or a little over 20 years old, and there's a potential possibility of cracks being on the frame. So in order to either prevent the cracks from getting bigger, you'd want to weld these plates in to prevent those from getting any worse than what it is. All right, let's just go ahead and start the process and we'll show you what exactly happens on these cars. Here you can see the 6 plates and 2 spacer plates, and these can be readily available online. And depending on your usage for street cars, using the 4 main subframe plates is recommended. And if the car will be seeing a lot of track time, it is recommended to reinforce the top of the subframe mounting point. To weld the top mounting point, you will need to cut an opening to access the area to weld, which then we will be covering the opening with the 2 square plates. To start off, we need to drop the subframe and the fuel tank to gain full access to all the mounting points. At this point, you can easily inspect to see if you have any stress cracks being revealed by cleaning the area. Next is to outline your plate area to prep and weld. Make sure you remove all paint and any silicone in the area to prevent impurities in the weld. Notice there are extra holes in the mounting plates. These are for applying rosette welds to the chassis. In order to properly do a rosette weld in this application, you will need to cut the first layer of sheet metal from the car and weld the inner sheet metal to the plate. If there is additional gap between the plate and chassis, form the plates to eliminate the gaps. Now you are ready to weld the plates onto the car. Use the factory subframe bolt to apply tension to the plates when you weld and to double as a grounding point for your welder. Sand down the rosette welds and any protruding welds to have a flat mounting surface for the subframe bushings. Clean the exposed metal surfaces thoroughly and proceed to paint to prevent rust from forming. So now you're done with the bottom reinforcement. This is usually sufficient for most E46s. However, for high stress usage, there will be another area to address on top of the subframe mounting point as mentioned earlier. Be advised this is a non-reversible process as you will be cutting into the body. If you have any questions or concerns about your E46 M3, contact us here at Evasive Motorsports. We'll catch you on the next one.